are pleased to show you the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, auto dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel drive, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.